Hello guys and welcome to a different Russia channel. We go with Alex to Ozon. That is a rather big and very popular online shop. We have the delivery office in Frязино and we go there to take our purchase. Unboxing, guys, will be at our Dacha and you will see what very important thing we bought for our garden. Алекс с черного хода что-то прет. Осторожней, там доска, не споткнись. The happy owner of a very big and heavy thing. Hope our car is rather big for such a construction. So guys, it seems that our car is big enough. Alex, have you ever thought that such big constructions can be bought in Ozon?
Не, здоровый больно. Сам удивился.
Alex is very surprised because usually we buy some very small things for our home. That is not the bench, guys, but I think you already know what it is. That is the new staircase. At the moment we have such a horrible construction over here. So now we will remove all these stones, all these boards from the entrance, and Alex will install the new steps. That is, guys, the metal staircase. Alex! Alex wants to sleep. He doesn't want to work. Alex, move. The weather is gorgeous, guys. Rather warm. And as far as you can see, already some bushes are blooming. Ten minutes later. Alex. Alex put a few plates, stone plates over here, but it seems that we have a problem, guys. Alex, I think just a little bit, because here almost the level of the door, maybe just a few centimeters.
Она еще осядет. Сядет?
Немножко пару-тройку сантиметров. At first, guys, I wanted to buy a bigger one, but Alex says that the size is okay. Otherwise, the steps will be over here. We had to rent a car or to order the delivery up to our Dacha, because that is maximum that we can put into our car. So the bigger size of the porch wasn't profitable. So first of all, the delivery is very expensive because we cannot bring it on our car, and the price of the porch itself was 2 times more expensive, but the size of the bigger porch was just a little bit, maybe 30 centimeters bigger than this one. Also, people love to ask about the prices. So how much we paid for the porch? Less than $100 with the delivery, so delivery included. 9,000 rubles. If we speak about rubles, I think that is a good price. That is the metal construction. Over here, Alex, can you please open the white plastic? That is, guys, 100% metal. Thank you, Alex. You see over here some spaces. That is good for us to use this porch, but if to speak about Sheffield, it will be a problem for his boss. So I think he will be afraid, because here are rather big spaces. So Алекс, смотри, на грабли не наступи, по лбу даст тебе. So guys, here we decided to put some wooden boards. That will be the good decision for our dog. So Sheffy will be happy, I think. Let's go around the garden. What we have here. Here we have lots of branches. Every spring we cut a lot of branches from our trees, from our bushes. So then Alex will cut them in smaller pieces and we will get rid of them. Here we have prepared the space for the installation of the gates. So from our side everything is ready. Now we are waiting for the workers, and in 2 weeks here they will install the new gates. We replanted bushes that were here. Just a few bushes are left, but I think that soon we will get rid of them. It's not a problem, but in general everything is ready for the workers to come and to install the gates. Over here we have the bush in blossom. What is it? That is the mixture of black currant and gooseberry. It is called yoshta. I'm not sure that you have such plants in your country, such bushes, but here they are rather popular. And as you can see, they already have bad leaves over here. That is some kind of disease. I have to get rid of such leaves. But in general, it is already in blossom. Very, very yummy and healthy berries over here. We have many tulips. We will take the tulips to the cemetery when we will go to the cemetery on Victory Day. In Russia we celebrate Victory Day on the 9th of May. And that is the cherry tree already, some flowers on it, and also here. But what is bad, guys, in a few days we are going to have minus temperature at night, -1, -2. It will be in 2 days, and I'm afraid that a lot of our plants will suffer from it. That is bad. We have already green onion over here and garlic. Unfortunately, I think some of the plants will suffer. Alex does not give up. Alex, just a few more centimeters. that is not good. The final part, unboxing.
Тебе там надо будет подмазать чуть-чуть.
Что, ободрали? Это клей прилип, наверное. А, не, ободрали.
Ну, ничего страшного.
Alex says the construction is very firm, it's very strong. That is one big piece of a staircase. As you can see, here are no nails, nothing.
Сейчас я ее придавлю.
So guys, that will be like this. Now we have to find the boards to put over here because Shefi will be afraid. And also we have to put boards over here because Shefi is afraid of the steps that has space under the step. So we have to put boards on the top and over here to the side. But in general, I think that is a good solution with minimum money, just $100. Alex could not believe his eyes when he saw such a staircase on Ozon. He thought that on Ozon we can buy only just, I don't know, some things to use inside the apartment, some small things. But he was surprised that he can buy the staircase. By the way, they also sell on Wildberries, but on Ozon they gave better price and better model or design of the staircase. So, test drive.
Ну, есть что-то от этого самого, как его. Ну, там нормально, там еще вот столько.
Alex and his famous DeWalt.